Everyone thinks the best-selling golf push cart is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Caddytech Caddy Lite 11.5 V3. The Caddytech Caddy Lite 11.5 V3 caught my attention right away with its lightweight aluminum frame and unique quad-fold design. Priced at $140.94. It's a bestseller with over 4,200 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating. If you want a push cart that's easy to maneuver and store, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this might be the perfect fit for you. The three-wheel design provides great stability, especially on uneven terrain. With features like a foot brake, an adjustable handle, and an umbrella holder, it's designed for convenience on the course. Plus, the mesh net and drink holder mean you can keep your essentials close at hand. This matters because it allows you to focus on your game without worrying about where your stuff is. However, some users mentioned that the cart can feel a bit flimsy when fully loaded. Here's the thing though, while it's important to ensure your bag is secure, most find that it holds up well during play. If you carry a ton of gear, you might want to consider this, but for the average golfer, it's not a deal breaker. This cart is perfect for you if you want something lightweight and easy to handle. Skip this one if you need to haul a lot of equipment, because it could feel less sturdy under heavy loads. Now, if that concern about sturdiness bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KVV 3-wheel foldable cart. Let's talk about the KVV 3-wheel foldable cart, which stands out with its ultra-lightweight design at just 13.6 pounds and a price of $145.79. It has a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,500 reviews. If you're looking for a compact cart that easily fits in tight spaces, this is a great option. What sets this cart apart is its height-adjustable handle, making it comfortable for both teenagers and adults. The ball-bearing wheels provide smooth movement on various terrains, ensuring you won't struggle while pushing it. The quick foot brake system is a game-changer when you need to stop suddenly. These features mean you can enjoy your game without constantly worrying about your gear rolling away or pulling a muscle. Some users pointed out that the assembly instructions could be clearer. I'll be real with you, if you're not the DIY type, that might frustrate you. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward, and most people find it easy to set up. This cart is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and easy to transport. Skip this one if you're looking for a more robust frame that can handle heavier loads, as this might not meet your needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more traditional design. Product number 3, Caddytech 4-wheel golf push cart. Next up is the Caddytech 4-wheel golf push cart, known as the Caddy Cruiser 1, priced at $186.32. With a 4.6-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, it's designed for stability and ease of use. If you crave a reliable cart that feels sturdy on the course, this one's worth considering. This cart features a one-click folding mechanism, which is super convenient when you're in a rush to hit the greens. The 4-wheel design ensures that it glides effortlessly, even on uneven terrain. Plus, it has ample storage for your gear. This is particularly advantageous because it allows you to keep everything organized without sacrificing accessibility during your game. On the downside, a few users reported that it's a bit bulky for storage. Here's the thing though, the extra stability and storage space are worth it. If you have a larger golf bag or just prefer carrying more items, this might actually be a benefit rather than a flaw. This cart is ideal for you if you value stability and storage. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact, as it might take up more room than you'd like. Now, if you're concerned about storage space, the next option is definitely more compact. Product number 4, KVV 3-wheel 360 rotating cart. Let's check out the KVV 3-wheel 360 rotating front wheel golf push cart, priced at $170.14. With a 4.6-star rating and nearly 1,000 reviews, this cart is all about maneuverability. If you want a push cart that can easily navigate tight spots, this one might be your best bet. What makes this cart unique is the 360-degree rotating front wheel, allowing for easy turns and less effort when changing directions. It also folds open and closed in just 1 second, which is fantastic for those quick transitions between holes. The included umbrella holder is a nice touch, especially for those unpredictable weather days. This matters because it enhances your playing experience by keeping you comfortable no matter the conditions. However, some users mention the umbrella holder could be a bit flimsy. I get it. It's frustrating when accessories don't hold up. But honestly, as long as you're not putting too much stress on it, it does its job well enough for light use. This cart is perfect for you if you prioritize maneuverability on the course. Skip this one if you're looking for a more heavy-duty design, as it may not stand up to constant heavy use. Now, if you're curious about another solid choice, the final option on my list has some great features for all terrain types. Product number 5, EasyGo Golf Push Cart. Last but not least, we have the EasyGo Golf Push Cart, retailing at $169.99. With a 4.4-star rating and 786 reviews, it's designed with versatility in mind. If you need a push cart that can handle different terrains easily, take a closer look at this one. This cart features a large wheelbase, which provides excellent stability on all types of ground, whether it's grass, sand, or even gravel. The quick fold design means you can set it up or pack it away within seconds, which is crucial when you're out on the course. The addition of a phone holder and cup holder means you can stay connected and hydrated while you play. This matters because it keeps you focused on your game without distractions. However, some users have said that the cup holder isn't very deep, which can lead to spills. Here's the thing. While it's a small inconvenience, most people find that it's easy to replace with a different holder if it becomes a nuisance. This cart is perfect for you if you need an adaptable option for various terrains. Skip this one if you're someone who prefers a more compact design, as it might not fit as easily in smaller spaces. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 great golf push carts. The CaddyTech Caddy Light is perfect for lightweight needs. KVV's options offer excellent maneuverability and adjustability, and CaddyTech's 4-wheel design provides unmatched stability. KVV's 360 rotating wheel cart is all about agility, while EasyGo shines in versatility on various terrains. Choose the one that fits your style and needs best.